Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I have a requested tutorial on how to make your side steps stay out. Now, this was requested, I believe, on a GMC Yukon, but it will work on the Sierras and the Yukons. So, depending on your situation, if you want your steps to stay out permanently, well, you might as well buy a different model of vehicle, such as the SLT over there, but I know that's not what people want. So here's one little thing to think about. Let's say you're washing your vehicle and you want the steps to stay out. Well, you just don't close the door all the way. That's not the only way, but just kind of the easy cheater way real quick. But there are settings within the infotainment system to do this. So let's take a quick look at exactly what those are. I'm gonna start the truck. And we're gonna get in here into the infotainment screen and show you how easy this is to do. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go over here and go to settings, and then we're gonna go to vehicle, and we're gonna wait. Then we'll go down here and we will go to power assist steps right there. And then we're going to right here. And so move power assist steps. So you have a couple of different options. You have stow. You also have deploy, which is right there. So let me hop outside and just show you that that did work. And there's actually a couple of different settings here you can use. So by now, that would have gone back under the truck if I hadn't changed the setting. But there's one more thing that we can do. In fact, I'm going to show this to you as it happens. So here's what it is. I'm going to go down here to deploy to bed. So what you're going to do is see that when I push that, the step goes back. And what that does, obviously, if you're not familiar to it or with it, is it's going to deploy back here to make it easier to hop into, or hop up to, I should say, not hop into. I guess you could hop into if you could get your leg all the way over. And what do you know? I can do that, boy. That was a good thing for stretching my legs, but you could reach into the bed of the truck like that. But that is ultimately how you can make your steps stay out. And no, that doesn't work on the Yukon. But for the person that asked, I hope that's helpful to you. Tell me exactly why you wanted to know about that. I'm curious to know. If you have a particular tutorial, by the way, that you want to see me feature on, whether it's a GMC vehicle or any other, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that happen for you.